In this video, I will show you how to use Threads from Instagram. So let's jump straight into it. So Threads is actually a new app that's been built by Instagram, and it's basically used to share text updates and join public conversations. So like on Instagram, with Threads you can follow and connect with friends and creators who share your interests, including the people you follow on Instagram and beyond. So your feed on Threads actually includes threads posted by people you follow and recommended content from new creators you haven't yet discovered. The posts themselves can be up to 500 characters long in length, and you can include links, photos and videos which are up to 5 minutes in length. Also, you have got the option to share your Threads post to your Instagram stories or share your post as a link on any other platform that you want to. So Threads is kind of like a alternative to Twitter that's been built by Instagram. It's recently come out, and to get hold of this, what you're going to want to do first is come to your profile on Instagram. So once you're on your profile, what you want to do is click onto the three lines in the top right hand corner, and you should see the option for Threads on there. If you don't see this option, go ahead and open up your Play Store, or if you're on an iPhone, of course, open up the App Store and go ahead and type Threads into the search box, and you'll see Threads, an Instagram app, is there available to install. So I've already got this installed. So once you've actually installed Threads, what you can then do is open it up, and this is going to take you to a page that looks like this. So as you can see, because I'm already logged in with Instagram, it's already recognized my account. But if you don't want to use this account or a different account, if you look underneath, it says switch accounts. So you can click onto this and go ahead and switch your account if you want to. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in with my Instagram account, and you'll see it's just going to take a minute on the first initial setup just to get everything ready for you. And what you're going to want to do from here is create your profile. So you can add a profile picture, you can add a bio, a short bio about yourself, and you can put a link if you want to. And what you can also do is import your information from Instagram by clicking the link down here, or if you want to skip this step, just click the arrow in the top right hand corner. So what I've done for now, I've just imported my information from Instagram. So once that's done, just click the continue button at the bottom. Choose whether you want to make your profile public or private and click continue. And if you wish, you can follow the same accounts on Instagram. So you can go ahead and follow the accounts by typing that into the search box at the top, or you can just skip this by simply clicking the arrow in the top right hand corner. So I'm going to go ahead and skip this, and what it's going to do is just give you a quick idea of how Threads works. And what you want to do is click join Threads at the bottom. And if you want to, go ahead and allow notifications. So this is what Threads actually looks like. As you can see, we're on the feed page at the moment. So I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough of how this works. So if you look at the very bottom, you've got some different icons. At the moment, we're on our home screen, which is our feed section. So you can see that's down here in the bottom left-hand corner. If you click on the next option, this is the search box. So what you can do is search for different creators on here. So you could put, like, for example, YouTube, and follow them on Threads. And the next option is where you come to create your own threads. So what you would do is press onto this and go ahead and put something onto your thread. And if you click the little paperclip icon, and then you can go ahead and add some photos and videos from your gallery to this thread, and go ahead and click post at the bottom to post that thread. And on the icon next to that is a heart. So if you click onto this, this is going to show you all your activity, including things that you can filter, like your replies and mentions and verified. And if I go into all, you can see I've got some follow requests on there. And then if you come down to the far bottom right hand corner, this is your profile section. And you can see I've got my first thread, which I just posted up there. Of course, I can heart this, I can reply. And you can also do things like edit and share your profile from here. So that's a quick run through of how to use Threads from Instagram. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.